guys, my name is Cassie. This is Just Cassie TV, and welcome to another reaction. Now, today I'm gonna be reacting to "When the Rain Stopped Following Me" by EAJ. The whole EP. I've literally only listened to Mad off of this EP, so we're reacting to all of it right now. I was so excited for this to drop because I bought tickets to go see EAJ on this tour. And then my date got canceled like 2 days ago. So I'm going into this a little bit sad, not gonna lie. I'm going into this already just like, I thought I was gonna hear these live. But anyways, let's get into it. So yeah, we're gonna start from the top. So I just want my 20s back.
Trying your best, but can you forget all your skeletons? Heard that you're mad, don't understand. You and I both know the reason is that I really left. I know that it's all in the past. I'm not trying to tell you how to act. I know that it's not fair. I don't want a penny back. I just want my 20s back. Started feeling heart attacks. They broke me down till I was mad. And I'm not blaming you for that. I don't want a penny back. I just want my 20s back. I'm not blaming you for that. I just want my 20s back.
I'm gonna pause it for the next song. Okay, I was gonna pause it while I was listening to the song, but I was just too into it. I couldn't. I really like that song. That line eats too though. I don't want a penny back. I just want my 20s back. That is nice. I like that song a lot. It's so sad though. It is very sad. It's just like, could you imagine? Giving your 20s to something, whatever it may be, spending your 20s doing one thing, and then it just, damn. Anyways, let's keep going. I already listened to Mad, so we're gonna skip that and go to Friendly Fire.
Late night, restless, I can smell the white lies on your words fly, bullets ripping through a heartstring. I heard whispers through the grapevine, worship. They say that we're not fine. Cross fingers and cross lines. Caught in the crossfire. Lately, you and I are trading friendly fire. Falling to pieces slowly.
Oh, this one's gonna be so fun live. I like this song. I just want my 20s back, and I like Mad, but this one's like Like, I'm mad because I was. This whole reaction, I'm just gonna be sad because I'm thinking about how I could have been there. But, anyways, I feel like this one would eat live. That's so fun. This is one of those songs that I would just like play and just dance around my house. Like, that's the vibe I'm getting right now. I just want to stand up and start dancing all over my house. That's catchy. It's also gonna be a fun song to like sing along to. Just screeching because I can't hit that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I like this one too. By the end of this, I'm gonna try and have a favorite. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm gonna try and figure out which one my favorite is. But I like that song. It's very catchy. It's high energy. It makes you want to dance. At least me personally, it makes me want to dance around my house, singing along. Okay. All right, let's go to Right Where You Left Me. It was so hard not to listen to these songs for this long, too. Because I just wanted to listen to them so bad, but I was like, I'm just going to wait. These lyrics are kind of crazy and sad. Like, the song is like, I don't know, like, when you hear it, it's not like, I don't know, it's sad. Like, I'm sorry, but that just made me sad. That made me really sad. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't want to be right where someone left me, and I don't want no one waiting for me, right? Like, don't wait. There's not enough time in the world to be waiting for people. I'm sorry. I don't know. That is so sad. Dang. Like, imagine someone's just like, I need to go work on myself, so like, I gotta go. And then you're just like, no, but I'll wait for you. Someone told me they would wait for me. I'm like, don't do that. Don't. That just makes me so sad. And then if you forget me, bro, I'm sorry. I like the song, but I just can't get that thought out of my head. Nah, that is so sad. That song, I did not expect it to be that sad. I don't know. Well, I guess like if you right where you left me, looking at the title, like it gives like I don't know. Dang. That one messed with me a little bit in my head because I was like jamming, but then I would listen to the lyrics. I'm like, now I'm sad. I don't know how to feel. Anyways, I still like it though. Okay, next we have Burn.
Hit me like I'm a problem, but here I am trying to fight the fumes. Trying to say that I cause them, but you're the one with the high head, babe. Oh, now you lashing out, spit fire straight from your mouth. You're touching everything down, and you still want me to stay. Asked for a light, so I gave it to you. Like you're burning up your life, but you did it to you. And I hate to see you hurt, but you really gotta learn. So burn, baby.
Oh, that was kind of nice. Okay. Lately, I've been paying attention. Well, I always like pay attention to lyrics, but like I've been like really paying attention to lyrics and stuff. Um, because of something I have going on. But kind of eats.
So I guess I'm the problem. Yeah, I guess all the blame's on me. I'm a mess of a human, but I'm running out of sympathy. Oh, now you lashing out. You camping up at my house. I said I'll see you around, but I didn't mean literally. Asked for a light, so I gave it to you. Now you're burning up your life, but you did it to you. And I hate to see you hurt, but you really gotta learn. So burn, baby.
I also love their voices together. That like, oh, it sounds so good. Ooh. Their voices sound so nice together. Wow. I really like this song too. It's a fun one, it's catchy. I'm obsessed with like the lyrics though at first. The I'm trying to fight your flames. You're the hothead. Spit fire straight from your mouth, pushing everything down. And you want me to stay like that kind of that's really cool. Anyways, I like this one. I like all of them so far though. Okay, now we have When the Rain Stops.
Sorry if it feels like I'm out of it, I'm a little fucked up. Guess it doesn't get easier like this, and I touch. Sorry if I owe you apologies, I'm a little backed up. Disappointed some people who gave me nothing but love.
I like this one. I think this is gonna be my favorite. I like this one a lot.
Maybe I'm just kind of an animal, maybe everyone's right. Having trouble believing that I could be a good guy. Quit the bars, but I still gotta do my time. Easy up, it still wouldn't make it right. Nothing best I could do is just stay alive. Oh, I'm such a mess. Counting up on my regrets. Maybe it's all in my head. Maybe it's all in my head. Even when the rain stops, I can feel it follow me. Even when the pain's gone, I can feel it haunting me. Wanna kill me? Till I die, till I die.
I like that one too. I like all of them. I'm going through the emotions because the songs are all good, but I'm not gonna hear them live. I'm sorry. I'm gonna keep saying that because I'm so sad. I already had a whole fit ready. Well, not a whole fit. I started customizing this jean jacket that I was gonna wear. It was so cute. Depression is setting in. Anyways, I really like that song. These songs, they're sad. Like, they're so fun, but like just so sad. Like, don't be sorry until you die. Don't, well, actually, I guess there are some things that, yeah, there's some things in my life that I'll be sorry about till I die, I guess. I don't think about them every day, though. I don't know. I really like When the Rain Stops. I think that one was my favorite. I like all of them, though. I Just Want My 20s Back is really good, too. I really like that one as well. Right Where You Left Me. That one makes me sad. Like, well, that one makes me confused because I'm enjoying the song, having a good time, but then I'm listening and I'm like, why'd you leave? Like, that's like, I don't know, that's what goes on. Why'd you leave me? Why'd you leave me waiting? That's how I feel when I listen to that song. I love their voices together in Burn. That was, ooh, Friendly Fire is fun. I've been listening to Mad a long time ago. So, dang. Mad is good too. I should mention it. Mad is so good. I'm still mad that I shouldn't be. That one is so catchy too. Dang. Oh man. Well, I really like them. I don't have much else to say about that. For those of you who are gonna go see him on tour, have a great time. I mean that, even though it seems like I don't. Have a fun time. I've only seen this band perform once, and that was Head in the Clouds 2021. That was so long ago. There have been so many songs since then that I want to see live. Fun fact, okay, before I end this video, fun fact. So, not fun for me, actually. I actually bought tickets to go see him when he did, what was that, last summer? He did, like, 2 shows in LA. Was it last summer, I think so. So as soon as they dropped, I was in my class because I was still in college at this time. I'm sitting in class, front row. I did not care. The pre-sale was about to happen. I take my credit card out. Well, not my credit card. I take my card out, and I start buying my tickets. I said, I'm not gonna wait. Bought my ticket, but I don't live in California. So I was like, I'll just go to Cali. But it was the summer before I left for Korea because I studied abroad in Korea for 4 months. And first of all, I bought my ticket to see him, but I didn't buy a flight, I didn't buy hotels, I didn't buy anything. And then it's summer and it's like less than a month before this freaking concert. And so I was like, ooh, I should probably buy a flight, I should probably look into hotels and everything, like a month until this concert. I look at my bank account. She's not looking good. So many things happened. First of all, I spent way too much money on my mom and my grandma for Mother's Day. Well, not too much. They do a lot, but I spent more money than I anticipated. And then, because I had a summer job lined up, because I never work in the summer, but I was going to work this summer because I was going to go to Korea. So I was like, I need to save money, obviously. Had a job lined up, got the job, everything. It was out of state. Me and my friends were going to go there together. We were going to road trip it out. Last minute, one of my friends is like, oh no, I can't. My parents want me to just fly there. Like, literally the night before. And it was like, what do you mean? We were supposed to drive there, and I don't drive. So my two friends were going to go back and forth driving, and so then my friend was going to drive. Her parents were like, well, you can't do that drive by yourself. Like, you can't do that entire, like, maybe you should fly too. And so then it was last minute. Everyone, like, literally the night before we're supposed to leave. And so it's like, okay, now I have to buy a flight to this place. I'm looking at flights, like $500. I'm like, I don't got $500 to just fly somewhere for this freaking summer job. I don't. So I was like, you know what? I'm not going to go. I'm not going to do it. And so I had to quit last minute. And then I didn't have a job. I spent all my money from my last check that I got while I was still working before the summer, because I work when I'm at school. So I was like, oh, dang. And so I literally had I had some money, but not a lot. And I still had to buy my flight to Korea. I was going to be in Korea for 4 months. I'm not going to be able to work that 4 months. I need money. I was broke. It was so bad. Like, not broke, but I was like, I have to make like an adult decision right now. Do I go to this concert and then go broke and have no money at all? Or do I save the little bit I have and be at home sad that I'm not at the concert? And that's what I did. And so I was home depressed, super depressed that day. So I missed that concert. So when I saw he was coming to Chicago, I was so happy. I was like, oh, finally my time has come. It's gone again. It's gone again. But yeah, it was supposed to be a short story time, kind of long. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the concert. When I saw him in 2021, I enjoyed it. I had a good time. I had so much fun.